Shruti ma'am, welcome to our show Thoughts on Education.
Thank you.
So Shruti ma'am, as you are the placement officer at SSBF, right? So we would like to know more about you and your journey at SSBF.
Yes. So I have been working with SSBF from last 4 years. I take care of placements and internships both. So my internships starts from the first year. My first year batch goes for the internships, and my second year batch goes for the final placements. So whole and sole responsibility of internships and placements is taken care by the placement department along with the director ma'am, and I have my students team also working with me.
So ma'am, as you talked about placement and internship, right? So what is the process exactly at SSBF?
Yeah, so basically SSBF is into a niche banking and finance specializations. So all our students are doing their internship and placements only into the banking and finance sectors. So the BFSI companies come on campus most probably offline or online, and the students have to go through their process of the internships and placements, like for example aptitude test, and they have to crack the aptitude test first, or the group discussions, the personal interviews, and then we follow up with the company till they get selected and till they get the offer letters.
Great. So I really would like to know more about internship part.
Yeah, so my students' internships, they start in the month of April and May. So 2 months of internship they have to undergo through as per their academic curriculum. So mostly internships also, many companies come from the BFSI sector, and we help our students to get the internship. Usually it starts from the month of August, and the students join in the month of April, and they undergo the internship for 2 months, which plays a very important part when their placements begin.
Great. So ma'am, do you have any message to the youth of this generation or to the SSBF students?
So I actually look forward for them to getting placed in a very good companies. So best of luck. That's what I will say.
Thank you so much, Shruti ma'am. Thank you for your time.
Thank you.